In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create a website for decorations with Wix. Start by logging into your Wix account and opening the website you want to edit from your dashboard. Once the site is open, click Design Site to begin customizing it. Wix will show you a range of available templates. Browse through them and choose one that fits the style of your decorations business. Look for a design that helps showcase visual work clearly and gives you space to present your services. When you find the right template, click Edit to open it in the Wix editor. On the home page, replace the main heading with the name of your decorations business. Then update the Hero section with a short description of your decoration services. Keep this section clear and focused so visitors can quickly understand what you offer. Add a call to action button that encourages people to contact you or view your work. Next, click the Add button and go to Pages. Create the key pages your site needs, such as Services, Gallery, About, and Contact. These pages will help organize your content and make the site easy to navigate. Go to the Services page and replace the sample text with the decoration services you provide. You can include event decoration, wedding setups, party styling, balloon arrangements, floral decor, or any other services your business offers. Then open the Gallery page and remove the placeholder images. Upload your own project photos instead. Choose clear, high-quality images that show your decoration work from different events or setups. This section is important because it helps potential clients see your style and quality. After that, update the About page with information about your business. Add a short background, your experience, and what makes your decoration service unique. Keep the text professional and easy to read. Move on to the Contact page and add your business details along with a contact form so visitors can reach out to you easily. Make sure this page is simple and complete. Now customize the overall look of the site. Adjust the colors, fonts, and images so everything matches your brand. Aim for a clean and polished style that reflects your decoration business. When you are done editing, click Preview to review the website and make sure everything looks right. Check the text, images, layout, and page links. If everything is ready, click Publish to make your decorations website live. Thanks for watching. That covers everything you need to know.